Good morning, students. Students, you know that we have completed word meanings, word power, question answers, extra question answers, and exercise of lesson 1. Today we are doing multiple choice question MCQs of lesson 1 that are on page number 129 in your book. So let's start. First question is, on which planet is life found? On which planet is life found? Life is found on only Earth. Life is found on only Earth. Number 2 is, who sailed around the Earth? Vasco da Gama, Ferdinand Magellan, Columbus, none of them. We have read in lesson that Ferdinand Magellan sailed around the Earth. Okay. Number 3 is, how much part of Earth's surface is covered with water? I have told you about this. About 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. What do we call the large bodies of water? Large bodies of water. What do we call them? The large water bodies are called oceans. Small water bodies are called rivers, lakes, but large water bodies are called oceans. Number 5. What is a man-made model which shows the earth? What is a man-made model which shows the earth is globe. Not a picture, not a statue. It is called globe. What causes day and night? What causes day and night? Rotation of the earth, revolution of the earth, the position of the earth, and none of them. Rotation of the earth. When earth rotates on its axis, it causes day and night. When earth rotates on its axis, it takes 24 hours, which causes day and night. Which is the largest parallel on the earth? Which is the largest parallel on the earth? Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn, none of them. I told you that equator is the largest parallel. Equator is the largest parallel. Which parallel of latitude is running close of Delhi? Running close of Delhi. Which latitude is running close of Delhi is 29 degree north. 29 degree north latitude runs close to Delhi. Next is, which meridian is designated as the international dateline? We have read in lesson that 180th meridian is designated as international dateline. It is also 180th meridian is called international dateline. The topmost point on the globe is called. The topmost point on the globe is called North Pole. It is called North Pole, not South Pole. Now equator, it is called North Pole. Number 11 is, the lines running parallel to the equator are called. The lines running parallel to the equator are called latitudes, longitudes, meridians, none of them. They are called latitudes. The lines running parallel to the equator are called latitudes. Number 12 is, on which latitude does the Arctic Circle lies at? On which latitude does the Arctic Circle lies at? Arctic Circle lies at 66.5 degree north latitude. Arctic Circle lies at 66.5 degree north. No, 23.5 degree north is Tropic of Cancer and 23.5 degrees Tropic of Capricorn. The Arctic Circle lies at 66.5 degree north. What is the total number of meridians? The total number of meridian is 360. The total number of meridians is 360. Which planet is a unique planet? Mars, Venus, Earth, none of them. The Earth is called a unique planet. Why? Because life is possible on it. But because life is possible on the Earth, so it is called a unique planet. Next is, what lines help us in dividing the earth into different heat zones? Latitudes, longitude, meridians, none of them. The lines of latitudes help us in dividing the earth in different heat zones. Number 16 is the earth rotates on its axis from dash to dash. The earth rotates on its axis from west to east. West to east. So it is A. The meridian of Greenwich was chosen in dash by all the nations of the world as the prime meridian. It was chosen in 1884 by all the nations as prime meridian. Next is a network of lines that helps us to find things on a globe or on a map is called geode, grid, network. It is called grid. A network of lines that helps to find things on a globe or on a map is called a grid. So for today it's complete. Thanks and have a nice day.